I bet you didn't know how ditching bread for 30 days could change your life. Welcome to my Journey Health and Fitness channel. We all have that one food, right? The one that we crave, the one that brings us comfort and joy, even when we know we should probably resist it. The one that we know we shouldn't love as much as we do, but it's just so darn comforting and delicious. For me, it's bread. Soft, warm, and oh so satisfying. A warm, crusty baguette with a slather of butter? Heaven! It's like a hug for your taste buds. But let's face it, bread can be a bit of a frenemy. It's always there for you, but sometimes it's not the best influence. It's a carbohydrate-heavy culprit that can leave us feeling bloated and sluggish. That post-bread slump is all too real. I love it, but sometimes my body doesn't love it back. The struggle is real, and the guilt can be overwhelming. So, what happens when you kick this comforting carb to the curb for a full 30 days? Intrigued? I was too. Could I really live without my beloved bread? So, I embarked on a month-long experiment to find out. Join me on this journey to see what happens when bread is no longer part of the equation. The first thing I noticed, my jeans felt looser. It was like a small victory every time I pulled them on. It turns out, cutting out bread can be a surprisingly effective way to shed a few pounds. I was amazed at how quickly the numbers on the scale started to drop. Less bread often means fewer calories, which can lead to a slimmer waistline. It's not just about the calories, though, it's about making smarter food choices. But it wasn't just about the numbers on the scale. I started to notice other changes too. I also felt lighter and more energized throughout the day. My morning jogs became easier, and I found myself looking forward to them. Bread can sometimes leave you feeling heavy and sluggish, so ditching it can give you a noticeable pep in your step. I felt like I had a new lease on life. And guess what? My digestion thanked me too. No more uncomfortable bloating or stomach aches after meals. Saying goodbye to bread meant saying goodbye to those dreaded post-pasta bloat days. It was a game changer for my overall well-being. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Jamie, what about sandwiches? What about burgers? Don't worry, my friend, I've got you covered. There are plenty of delicious and satisfying alternatives to bread that won't leave you feeling deprived. Sweet potato toast is a game changer, perfect for topping with avocado or eggs. Quinoa and rice cakes are great for lighter snacks, and lettuce wraps make a fantastic low-carb substitute for tortillas and burger buns. Get creative and experiment with different flavors and textures. The crumbly truth. Potential side effects of a bread-free life. Okay, let's get real for a moment. While ditching bread can have its benefits, there are a few potential downsides to consider. Bread does provide some essential nutrients like fiber and iron, so it's important to make sure you're getting those from other sources in your diet. And let's be honest, those bread cravings can be real. There were definitely moments when all I wanted was a big, fat slice of pizza. But hey, life is all about balance, right? Rise to the challenge. Are you ready to give up bread for 30 days? It's a bold move, but it could be just the change you need to kickstart a healthier lifestyle. So, there you have it. Ditching bread for 30 days was an interesting and surprisingly rewarding experience. I discovered new foods, experimented with different recipes, and found creative ways to enjoy my meals without bread. I felt lighter, more energized, and my digestion was on point. My workouts improved, and I noticed a significant boost in my overall well-being. Now, I'm not saying you have to say goodbye to bread forever. Bread can be a part of a balanced diet, but sometimes it's good to take a break and see how your body responds. But if you're looking to shake things up, try a little bread-free experiment of your own. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy the challenge and the benefits that come with it. What do you think? Could you give up bread for 30 days? It's a test of willpower and creativity in the kitchen. Let me know in the comments below. Share your thoughts, experiences, and any tips you have for going bread-free. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring you more great content.